When you are low in memory, Windows prompts you with the message, "Your computer is low on memory." And simply it means that you are low in RAM. And when you are low in RAM, the programs and processes work slowly. So here in this video, I am going to show you few methods to fix this issue. I will show you 5 methods and try all the 5 methods just step by step. So here goes our first method, that is increase virtual memory in Windows 10. So go to the search icon and write here sysdm.cpl. I wrote here sysdm.cpl and open this control panel item, and it is actually system properties. Now go to advanced tab, and in advanced tab you can see here the first is performance related items. It has visual effects, process scheduling, memory usage and virtual memory settings. So click on settings and now again go to advanced tab, and here the option is virtual memory. Click on change and just disable the first checkbox that says automatically manage paging file size of all drives. And here is the space available, that is 35,672 MB. Click on custom size, and I am allotting here 2 GB for virtual memory, that is 2048 MB, 2048 MB. Now click on set and now OK. So this was our first method to increase the virtual memory. Now it says that we need to restart our computer so that the changes can take effect. So that is okay. Click apply, then OK, and then again OK, and now click on restart now, and your system will restart. And here I'm going to show you our second method. So try all the methods step by step, and here goes our second method. Click on the search icon and write here task manager, TASK-MANAGER. Click on task manager and click here on more details. I am maximizing the window, and here you can see the memory uses. Now you need to disable all the applications that are using more and more memories. So here just go through all the apps listed here and select the apps that are using more and more memory. Just right click and disable that app. So this was our second method, and now I am going to show you our third method. Again click on this search icon and write here CMD command prompt. Right click on command prompt and open it as an administrator. Click on yes, and here we have command prompt with administrator privilege. Write here some DOS command, that is SFC, then space /scan now, and press enter. It will scan your whole system and also it will fix the issue. So it will take some time, so just you need to wait. It depends on your system speed, so it will take some time. That just you need to keep patience to finish the process. Now exit from command prompt and again restart your system. So this was our third method, and now I'm going to show you the fourth method. And here goes our fourth method. Click on this PC, go to drive C, make a right click over here and go to properties. So here we are going to disk cleanup. Go to disk cleanup and it will take some time, and after that a window will appear and I will show you, and here is that window. So just you need to delete temporary internet files. because it consumes a lot of space of your virtual memory. So click on temporary internet files and OK. It will ask you to delete the file. Just click yes and it will delete all the temporary internet files. And again, this was our method 4, and now go to our method 5. That is our next method, and here it goes. Go to your browser. Here I'm using Chrome, so I'm opening Chrome, and right here Avast Free. Just we are going to download Avast Free antivirus, and here is the link. I'm opening in new tab, and here is the download button. Click on free download, and here it is downloaded. So just we are going to run this exe. So I am running this exe, and it will take much time because the software will download online. So now here I'm clicking on install, and it will take some time, so just you need to keep patience and do not turn off your computer during the installation of the antivirus. So now it is installed and it's saying that you are protected. Just click on continue button, and again click on continue button. Now it is asking me, but I skip this step, and now I am running smart scan. So click on run smart scan, and here the scanning process start. Again, it will take some time, so you need to keep patience here. Now it is finished, and these are the issues. So just click on resolve the issues, and these are the software that needs update. So if you want to get update, click on update selected, otherwise skip this step. And performance issues is here: broken registry items, system junk, PC health problems. So just click on resolve, and it will resolve the performance issues. And these are the applications that are taking a lot of much memory from your system, that is virtual memory. So just resolve the issue and increase your virtual memory. So just I am closing it, this window, and I will click on resolve. So it will resolve the issue, and by this way the virtual memory of my system is increased now. So this was the way. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe and share it to help others. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.